Okay guys, we're so excited today. We're gonna do Elliana's hair and we're gonna do it dark again and even a little bit darker. We're gonna first put 2 rows of 22 extensions in, kind of show you how that goes, and then we're gonna go ahead and color everything together. So I can't wait for you guys to see. What are we gonna do today?
So I think I wanna go, cause it lightened up a little bit. My roots, they look like gray.
They're literally like mousy gray.
Let's go this color.
Can you imagine?
No,
okay.
no. I mean, can you imagine?
No.
I think I just wanna like fully do it and just like send it and just be dark, and I'll switch it up. But I'm just like, I feel like I just wanna, cause I've never done it.
Yes.
Like, just switch it up and just be crazy.
Just all dark, not black.
Like
almost
literally
black.
like almost like on the verge of black. Like even if it has to be essentially black when we first get it done, so like it lightens up, like whatever you think we need to do, but like, cause I don't want to look emo.
Yes.
But like,
we don't want that.
No.
Okay.
But just fully go for it.
And do you feel like the hidden wefts and the hidden method like helps a lot with pulling your hair back?
Most definitely, because I have to do it pretty frequently. And what I like about too is like when I take them down, I feel like they don't dent, is what I've noticed.
Okay.
And I used to have, I mean obviously with real hair, but I've noticed with the extensions, like they don't dent after having it in a ponytail for for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And with the extensions, like they go back to normal when I take it down. So that's something I really like as well. So, I mean the hiddens work great. Whenever I slick it back, like
they hide.
You don't know.
Love that.
Know.
And they're really comfortable, like perfect.
Oh, absolutely. I have never really had any discomfort like ever. So
and then
they're super comfy.
then keep 22s like super long.
Because for Coachella, which I'm going to, so I'm like,
I haven't heard of anyone going to Coachella.
You've never heard?
I haven't heard of anyone going this year at all.
I'm going for the first year. Let's go. And I'm like, I want like the long hair.
Yes.
Because I feel like it'd
then
be
you can
cool.
do cute braids, all that.
Yes, I'm nervous.
Perfect. Okay, we're gonna put the extensions in first.
Okay.
Then we're gonna go ahead and color almost black.
Crazy.
Okay.
I'm just excited though.
It's gonna be so fun. So when our clients come in, we always put extensions in first. That way, when we go to color everything, we can blend the colors with the extensions perfectly. So everything is super seamless. So as you can see, first we take super good, clean sections. And then once we do that, then we go ahead and start the beading process. As you can see, the beading process is it's laying super flat and it's not pulling at all on your scalp. So it's not sensitive or it's not sore or anything like that. Okay, so obviously this one looks more black.
It does.
But
so I'm like,
I feel like sometimes when we color your natural dark and we put too dark of extensions in, then when it fades, it's like the extensions don't fade, so then your hair's fading and then you have these black extensions.
That's true, yeah.
You know
so what if we did like a mix?
Okay.
Like happy medium.
Let's do that.
Do you think that works?
I feel like that's perfect.
Okay.
Okay, because I love how this looks.
Me too, but we don't want it to like not match when this fades
out.
That works, let's do a mix.
Okay.
So once we go ahead and finish the beading, then what we want to do next is we want to make sure the client gets to pick which color of extensions they like the best. So we usually pin up 2 different sides and we do 18-inch or 22-inch, and we decide which length is best and also which color blend is best. And now even with just the colors of extensions, you can pick so many different colors with just switching the way we lay the hair. And also layering different colors and layering different hair can change so much how the end product looks. If you put the lighter one on top or the lighter one on bottom, it can change the whole look. So once we choose what colors we want, then we go ahead and sew in that hair. Once we sew in that hair, we can also do multiple rows of extensions. Now, our extensions are super natural looking and we want to keep it that way, so we don't want to add too much hair to where it doesn't look natural, especially because most of our clients getting extensions have finer hair. So we always keep that in mind by not adding too much hair. Once we go ahead and finish all the extensions, putting them in, then we color everything on top. Usually, especially with dark hair, usually we do the root first, and then we go ahead and blend all those extensions with it. So what we're doing first is we're coloring her natural root because it is so light naturally that we want to make sure it sticks really good on her root first. And then once we do the root, then we kind of comb it down towards the end. This way, it just is on the root for a little bit longer. Since her ends are already been colored, they'll suck to the color a lot faster. So than the root, because the root is all her natural color, so we want it to sit on a little longer. And once everything is on, then we'll kind of run that color through the extension ends also, just to give it a little more of a shinier, almost gives it a little more sheen to her extensions and makes everything seamless and blends super good. And once we do that, then we'll just kind of let it sit on and we'll let it process for a little while. And then we will go ahead and just clean up around her face, just so she doesn't have any black stains around her face. And then once we let that process, then we go ahead and we'll go ahead and wash it all out. And then we will start the style. Now, shampooing and products to me are so important in this whole process because it can totally make or break your style. Like for our clients, they love the roller look, they love the 90s blowout look, and you want to make sure whatever shampoo you're using, whatever you're using on their hair, you really make sure that it's going to hold that style. Now, extensions always kind of need a little bit more moisture, I would say, than your natural hair, because most of my clients' natural hair, like I say, is a little more fine. So you want to make sure that you really are using a volumizing shampoo at your root and then a more moisturizing shampoo on your ends. Okay guys, this is the final result of Elliana's hair, and I feel like it's the prettiest color with your eyes.
Chrissy kills it every time. There has not been a time where we haven't been obsessed.
Otherwise you wouldn't come back.
Right. 3 years now, guys. Yes. I'm living proof. 3 years, and I've never gone anywhere in between.
And look how healthy your hair is.
And it's so long. I mean, you'll know, if you know me and follow my account, then you know my hair journey and how brittle and how I had no hair, and then I've essentially had extensions the whole time, and my hair has grown so much.
It's like
so it
literally
works.
The healthiest it's ever been.
And it's so soft and beautiful, and the color and everything is just so good.
I love it. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.